What if I told you the reason you can't fix yourself is because you were never broken in the first place? What if all that self-improvement is actually self-rejection in disguise? Stay, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at healing, growth, or fixing yourself the same way again. Part 1. The Fixing Trap. Let's start here. We live in a world that constantly tells us we need fixing. Too anxious? Take this course. Too lazy? Try this morning routine. Too emotional? Be more disciplined. But here's the trap. Every time you say, I need to fix myself, you're subtly saying, I'm not enough as I am. You see the problem? You're chasing a better version of you, while rejecting the one who's trying their best right now. Part 2. Why it doesn't work. Fixing mode says, I'll meditate to stop being anxious. I'll work out to stop hating my body. I'll journal to stop feeling broken. Here's the paradox. Techniques done with the intention of fixing usually reinforce the belief that you are flawed. Even meditation becomes a weapon when it's used to silence parts of you. But you can't heal what you secretly hate. Part 3. The Origin of the Broken Myth. It starts early. When you were a kid and felt sad, angry, loud, messy, you were often told, don't be like that. So you learned, parts of me are unacceptable. I must hide them to be loved. And now, as an adult, you don't need others to silence you. You've internalized that voice. But what if none of those parts were bad to begin with? Part 4. True Healing. True healing is not about changing yourself. It's about befriending the parts you've been running from. Instead of, I need to stop being anxious, try, I understand why I'm anxious. Let me sit with it. True healing is radical acceptance. It doesn't mean staying stuck. It means growth rooted in love, not shame. Part 5. Who you really are when you stop trying to fix yourself. You start discovering who's underneath all those layers. And what you'll find is this. You were never broken. You were burdened. You were never wrong. You were wounded. And wounds don't need punishment. They need compassion. Part 6. Living unflexed. When you stop fixing yourself, you start living. You start showing up honestly. You stop apologizing for being a work in progress. You begin to ask, not how can I fix this, but what is this trying to teach me? You stop striving and start unfolding. If this message resonated with you, it's because you're ready. Ready to drop the mask, ready to stop the chase, ready to stop fixing and start loving who you already are. Watch our next video, The Power of Letting Go. It's not just a mindset shift, it's a life shift. Subscribe to begin the most honest journey of your life, not to a better you, but a more you version of you.